If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0016, don't worry. This usually means the game is temporarily unavailable, often because of a server outage, maintenance, a season transition, or even missing game files. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest and most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes. First, before changing anything on your PC, check the server status for the game you're trying to launch. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. If Epic's servers are down, or if the game is undergoing maintenance, you may see the LS-0016 error until services are restored. So take a moment to confirm whether there are any outages or scheduled maintenance announcements. If everything looks normal, the next step is to wait about 10 to 15 minutes and then restart the Epic Games launcher. This is important because the issue is often temporary and a restart can refresh your account entitlements and clear out small launcher glitches. When you relaunch it, don't just open it normally. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives the launcher extra permissions and can help it communicate properly with Windows and your game files. After that, sign back in if needed and try launching the game again. If the error still appears, the next fix is to verify your game files inside Epic Games. Open your library, find the game that's giving you the LS-0016 error, and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Manage, then choose Verify. Epic Games will now scan your installation and repair any missing, damaged, or corrupted files. This process may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before you do anything else. Once verification is done, launch the game again and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem, especially if the issue was caused by a temporary server problem or a bad file check. If you followed all of these steps and the game still won't open, try restarting your PC and launching Epic Games again with administrator access one more time. But usually, checking server status, waiting a little while, restarting the launcher as administrator, and verifying the game files will fix Epic Games error code LS-0016. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.